Hello friends, so in this video I am going to discuss about this Fcra. I will discuss 3 or 4 point only and I will make it clear, make it all the point clear in your mind why this act is very important, why Modi's government is going to change and why every person crying against this act, this amendment. So what is the meaning of Fcra? Fcra is basically foreign contribution. Again I am repeating, foreign contribution regulating act. So if any person receiving any foreign contribution, foreign monetary contribution, then this contribution must be regulated by Ministry of Home Affairs, and this is happening already. This act is basically monitoring all the contribution which is any person or any NGO or any society is receiving on the name of public welfare activities. Even Constitution has given power to create these type of NGO and the activity for the welfare of, for the benefit of the people only, because all the activity, all the public welfare activity cannot be done by only government. Rather these NGO and the society can do the better activity, and we have given freedom to receive any amount of money for the welfare of the people only, but it cannot be used for the bad purpose also. So Ministry of Home Affairs regulate all the transaction which is being received by the NGO or the society. But what was the lacuna? Why they are making this amendment then? Because this is happening already. Why they are making any amendment? So there are three lacuna. First, any person, either who is politician, retired officer, who has contested an election, or who is any public officer, they can start an NGO. First lacuna. Second, any person need not to disclose his identity, rather they are not required any type of Aadhaar card. Third thing, they can receive this amount in any bank account. And fourth thing, they do not need to disclose the objective after starting the NGO for next 1 year. So what the Modi government is doing, they are barring any person who is politician, who is retired officer, who is public officer, that they cannot start any NGOs. Second thing, what they are doing to regulate the any kind of money which any person is receiving on the name of NGO or the society, every NGO or the society must have to open an account in the main branch of SBI in Delhi. So that amount must be regulated by the Ministry of Home Affairs. Third thing, any person who is going to start the NGO or who is going to become the chairperson of this NGO or the society must have an Aadhaar card on his or her name. They cannot start this NGO or society otherwise. And the fourth very important thing, they have to spend 80% of amount after receiving this amount from outside, and then they can be entitled to receive more amount. If they are not spending 80% of amount, then they are not entitled. And most important thing, most of the people are doing that, they are showing their account that we have spent 50% of an amount on the administration of this NGO. So now means for the administration, for giving salary to the chairman, for giving salary to the employee. So now what Modi government do, they can only spend 20% of amount for the administration of the NGO. So these change are going to happen. So every person must know that all the activity which are happening in the India, I am not saying that every activity, every protest is illegal, but I am saying that most of the activity may be illegal, because the objective may be illegal. When if any person is receiving any amount of money and the person who is sending the money is saying that you have to do this particular activity, then I only send this amount, and Ministry of Home Affairs will not get any authority, would not have any authority to regulate this much amount, then this can be used against the sovereignty of all India also. So this amount must be regulated. That's why they are making amendment in this Fcra. Thank you, dosto.